Siguro, biggest factor in our relationship ngayon, siguro, finances.
Yun nga, magkaiba yung buhay namin. So ngayon ko pa lang na-enjoy yung makagastos for myself.
So gumagawa ko na Excel file sa mga pera namin, sa gastusin namin.
And I would just pay.
This is the reality of living with your partner.
Before her kasi, mas focus talaga ako on developing yung sarili ko.
Bunso kasi ako sa bahay. Princess lang, pinagsisilbihan.
May mommy, may daddy, may kapatid. Ang damit ko, may tagalaba.
Yung routine ko, it's just really going out with friends, working.
Walang problema, sarili ko lang lagi. Pasok, trabaho, kain.
May responsibility at home. Before Lyle, kasi breadwinner ako. The bills, syempre, chores. Mga ginagawa ng kuya sa bahay.
Separated ako from my parents. Independent ako since 2017, I think.
So I was comfortable being alone and being independent until he came.
Gusto ko kasi siya makita araw-araw. Mapansin.
It so happened na may nahanap kami na place.
Starting from scratch without any other responsibilities. Yung responsibility namin is sa aming dalawa lang.
But when I started to live with my partner, dun ko na naramdaman yung struggle nung una.
Well, kasi syempre, 1 year pa lang after the relationship, nag-move in kami together. Pinakamahirap, yung mga ugali niya na hindi ko pa nakita before kami nag-move in.
Nagulat ako na sobrang addict niya sa lotion. Hindi siya makakatulog ng walang lotion.
Ewan ko, sakit ko na ata talaga siya.
One time, umiyak siya kasi talagang hindi siya mapakali. Pala, ubus na.
Babe, hanap mo akong lotion. Tapos pupunta kami ng 7-Eleven para lang bumili ng lotion.
Lagi ko sinasabi naman sa kanya, ang weirdo mo na.
So, ako yung mabilis kasi kumilos sa lahat, maski sa bahay. Si Leo kasi ano siya Disney princess. Hala, mag-aaway after nito.
I like to have a system for how I clean, where I put stuff. He would deny this, I think, pero para kasi siyang ahas. So kung saan siya maghubad ng damit, doon niya na lang ilalagay. And
I want, pag nag-utos ako, gusto ko gagawin agad. Pag di niya nagawa, ako na in the middle of the game, syempre, hindi naman mapopos yun agad-agad.
tinuro ko siya kay Jules.
Yung rotation ng paggamit ng damit. Kung wari, ginamit mo na ito, sa baba dapat siya.
I'd like to think I'm very organized.
Minsan po, parang too organized.
Ngayon, hanggang ngayon naman, naglo-learn ako.
Mamahalin mo naman yung tao, not just the good side eh. Dapat pati yung bad side niya.
When you live together with someone, kita mo talaga warts and all. Buong pagkatao nila, essentially.
Pinag-uusapan namin na ayaw ko yung ganito, ayaw niya rin yung ganyan sa akin, and then mag-meet halfway kami.
Siguro, biggest factor in our relationship ngayon, siguro, finances.
Yun nga, magkaiba yung buhay namin. So ngayon ko pa lang na-enjoy yung makagastos for myself.
We try not to i-ano yung happiness namin o yung relasyon namin tungkol sa pera. Pero kasi dahil yun nga, magkasama kami na yung nagmamanage ng lahat. Kailangan pag-usapan.
Tapos nun, ako yung type of person na deserve ko to. Deserve ko yan, ganun. Yun yung pinakang naging struggle namin nung nag-start kami. Sobrang gastos ko kasi. Tapos si Harley kasi, medyo type A kasi siya. Meron siyang listahan. So meron kaming budget plan ngayon na sinusunod.
So gumagawa ko na Excel file sa mga pera namin, sa gastusin namin.
And I would just pay.
Ang hirap eh, kailangan it's a both yes from me and from her. For example, may inaccept ako na hindi niya alam or nag-decide ako, may binili ako na hindi niya alam. For sure, mag-aaway kami.
Kasi we have plans for the future, we have plans on next month, next week.
Okay, for biglaang sabay-sabay na gastos, actually, nangyari lang yan recently. Ang laki ng electricity bill kasi nga mainit. Tapos, may parating pa kaming pusa. Shocks, nagkasabay-sabay siya.
One time nasira yung aircon namin. Nag-load kami for an aircon para yung convenience din namin. Kasi yun yung sa panahon niya sobrang init talaga. So it really depends on the situation.
Ayan, kaya dapat nagpa-plan, di kayo go with the flow.
So it's always important to know where you can get financial help at a moment's notice. If you didn't know yet, GCash offers exactly just that. If you're eligible for GLoan, you can borrow up to 125,000 pesos in cash straight to your GCash wallet. The best part? You can pay it back with flexible installment plans up to 24 months. Perfect na pang salo sa sabay-sabay na pangangailangan, especially sa adulting era natin. So what do you think about this?
Yes, nagtitake kami ng loan. Sa G-loan lang naman. So, maliliit-liit lang naman siya na expenses. But it helps a lot.
Actually, yun na nag-survive sa amin. Hanggang sa ngayon na nagkatrabaho na ako. Na okay na, pero minsan kailangan na sa klolo. Yun.
So, pag nag-moving in kasi yun, kailangan nyo ng mga appliances eh. Mobile lang, swipe ka lang, pindot-pindot. Magkakapera ka na pambili ng mga needs nyo.
Well, I think it's great na may ganong option that's easily accessible.
You won't always have emergency funds. I don't think everyone has that privilege of having emergency funds.
Kunyari, parang mga like 5,000 lang, may biglang bayarin, tapos wala siya sa budget plan namin. So, ayun, yes, we do take out loans.
Makakatulong siyang makaraos for something.
It will be helpful for us in the future.
The best part living with my partner is actually just getting to live with them.
Yun, may katuwang ka.
Katuwang, gano'n.
Waking up na nandun siya, matutulog ka, nandun siya. Lahat na gagawin mo, alam mo nandun siya.
I get to have that privilege to witness Jules in his everyday life.
Kasi you don't feel alone. Even if you're doing things alone, you feel like you have someone you can always talk to.
Nahanap ko yung pahinga ko, lalo na dito sa nakakapagod na mundo. Hala, nagtula.
Because I've been working for like 14 years and I'm used to like taking it all myself, like all the stress that I have at work and just take it all in and, you know, not say it to someone, not to share it to someone. But with Arlie, he's very caring.
Tawa lang kami ng tawa, kahit ano tatawa na, napaka-nonsense namin tao, ganun.
Actually, yung favorite memory ko with moving in with Lyle is yung first few months namin na parang yung space namin, yung apartment namin is parang bare pa. Parang, ito na yung start.
How do I make sure to balance romance and practicality? Well, ako yung mas romantic, mas idealist, so to speak. Jules is the more practical one in our relationship.
Hindi lahat ng gagawin nyo kailangan mahal. You can be romantic naman na without spending a lot.
Kunwari, wala pang sahod. So, maglalakad kami papuntang palengke. Parehas kami namimili ng mga prutas-prutas, gulay-gulay. Kaya kami dalawa parang tanga. Feeling namin nasa ano kami. Nasa TV kami dalawa. Kunwari, maglalakad kami papuntang palengke. Cute natin, no? Ganon kami.
Siguro when I needed to go to the lab para lab work, she would kasi papak na damit ko, prepare na damit ko, yung mga stuff na kailangan ko, yung laptop ko. So, sa mga simple na bagay na yun, parang na-appreciate ko na hindi ko na kailangan sabihin sa kanya.
Pag feeling mo na parang wala na akong time sa kanya, then that's the best time to get the best coffee for him. So when you come home, you give it to him. Kasi parang you still making extra effort despite your busy schedule.
Parang we appreciate the small things and for us, that's already romantic.
Ngayon kasi hindi ko makita yung sarili ko na nangangarap na hindi siya kasama.
He's someone I would want to build home with.
Parang may glimpse ako ano yung magiging home ko in the future.
Yung layo nang nakita ko with her, parang siguro mga nakalibing na ako, nakaganon na ako.
Feeling ko, hindi ko feeling. I just know na I found the one. Huh?
Yung decision na pag-move out or pag-live in, madaling gawin yung decision na yan eh. Ang mahirap kasi kapag nandun na kayo.
Bago kayo mag-move in together, make sure na comfortable kayo enough sa isa't isa. Kasi yan yung taong makakasama mo every day. Like, wala ka pang makeup, wala ka pang kilay. Lahat ng disgusting things about you, malalaman niya.
Parang sinabi mong disgusting.
Ako din naman. Siyempre, pagising mo.
Don't be afraid to hold the tough conversations. Ito, alam to ni Jules. Kasi he tends to be uncomfortable with difficult conversations, topics, ganyan.
It's important that both of you are able to express frustration and happiness and appreciate someone's effort. Every single time he would cook, it would still be the same reaction. Yeah. And also, if you don't like it, like, hindi ko gusto yung paglaba mo ng mga puting damit kanina kasi may natitira pang dumi. You have to communicate it, right?
Just enjoy, because I think mutual decision naman yan di ba? Kung enjoy ka naman, you see the beauty of it, the little things together, I think it will flourish into something even better.